All right, Serge, what do we got going on today?
Hey Doc, so today we got the new RunCam Sparrow Pro.
Beautiful.
It's really nice purple. I think it's metal case. Comes with 12mm lens and built-in control board, just like the Swift 3.
Okay, and we're gonna.
The aspect ratio is 4:3.
Perfect. And we're gonna compare it to what? What are we
To
comparing?
the Micro Eagle. I made a post this morning on our page. Asked the guys, hey, if we're gonna do a side-by-side DVR review, what camera did you guys want to see compared to this? Most of the guys said Micro Eagle.
Yeah.
And we actually have a quad here with Micro Eagle, so it makes it easy. It looks really nice in the HDO.
Okay, so which one is this first, Serge?
So that one is the Sparrow Pro.
Sparrow Pro. So you say this felt a lot like the Micro Eagle? Feels a lot like it?
I mean, the colors are, it's very vivid.
Okay.
We'll see when we try the Micro Eagle.
Okay, so now which one are we doing now, Serge?
This one is the Micro Eagle.
Okay.
It's on 4.3 as well. That one is adjustable, 69 4.3, but now it's on 4.3.
So that is, we're talking about some of the
4.
differences. That would be a very distinguishable difference between the Swift and the Eagle is that you cannot switch the switch.
I think the Micro Eagle has bigger lens.
Well, bigger is better, right? Bigger is always better. Now, what about detail? Are you picking up more or less detail with this?
I think there is more detail with the Micro Eagle. It's kind of hard to tell. The colors are very similar. They're both they have very nice colors.
Okay. All right, so what do you say we take a look at the DVR footage and then kind of see the differences there, just back to back? So you say they're really close?
In the goggles, it was really hard to tell the difference. I want to say Micro Eagle has more details. The colors were very, very similar.
Okay.
But let's watch the DVR.
Okay, let's do it. All right, well, Serge and I just got done finishing looking at the flight footage, and he's back there kind of finishing up the days. We try to get orders out to everybody, but our consensus in here was that the Sparrow looked better between the two. The colors were more natural, and everything just kind of seemed to just be a better overall picture is all I can say. When he was out there flying, he was having a hard time knowing which one of the two that he liked, and sometimes that's the case with cameras, and so he was able to get it out here, and so that's our thoughts. But I want to hear from you guys. We want to hear from you guys what you guys think between the two. Do you like the Sparrow or do you like the Eagle? And just let us know in the comments, and we can kind of just see what people think of the DVR footage. The DVR was off a little bit, off a lot, but we'll get that all that stuff taken care of as we're just kind of learning all this process of me and Serge working together and getting everything down the way that that makes it the best for you guys. But I think it gives you guys an idea, especially when he first takes off. I did my best to match those two, and you can really get a good sense of it. So guys, from all of us here at PyroFlip RC, hope you have a great day, and I hope you get some time to fly.